Hey gang, Jason here for the love of tractors, and so first and foremost, I just want to say I apologize for not being around here for the last week, and if you've ordered something from me, I apologize for not getting it shipped out here in the last week. So some of you know I was diagnosed with coronavirus, tested positive for that. Let's see, a week ago tomorrow. So I'm recording this on Sunday. It was a week ago tomorrow. So that was Monday, I think. And anyway, it's kicked my butt. I'm just going to be 100% honest. It has absolutely wiped me out. And so, of course, I can't go to the post office being positive. I wouldn't want to. I don't want to take the chance of giving this to someone else. My wife and I both have it, so we're stuck here at the house, and this is the first time I've felt like even coming downstairs to mess with anything. I started up the printer. You can hear that whining in the background there. I thought maybe I would paint my apron here that I poured, been a couple weeks ago now, but I just don't have the energy to mess with it. So, anyway, so this video, I just wanted to say a couple things. Thank you, everybody that sent me messages wishing me well. I appreciate that so much. And then, again, I apologize if you've ordered something from me and it's not shipped. We're still dealing a little bit with the U.S. Postal Service issue, but I just got word that some stuff has officially been lost. So I've got to either send new if I have more in stock, or I've got to refund, which sucks, but it is what it is. I want to do right by everybody, obviously. So anyway, if you've made it to this 2-minute mark of me rambling, so like I said, I'm hoping maybe by later in the week I'm somewhat back to normal. If I don't have any symptoms, I can go back to work in the middle of the week. Right now I still have a ton of symptoms. Cough, fever, just complete and total exhaustion. That's the biggest one. And I'll be honest, I'm not thinking right. It's messed with my head a little bit, which is weird. I don't know, but that could be the exhaustion too, and the fever. So anyway, guys, I just want to say that thank you for everything. And I was going to just take a second here and show you a couple things that I was working on before I got sick. So obviously Dogtown's in progress here. Now the shed's just a mess right now. I've got to get all of this area painted up and looking good. In front, I did print myself a large fuel tank, a really large fuel tank. So here's my 12,000 gallon one that you guys have seen already, but I went with a bigger one. I think it's in the neighborhood of 25, but I'm not going to swear to it. 25,000 gallons. If you guys are interested in those, let me know, but I'll be honest, they're going to be quite pricey. That's quite the process to print one of those. That's a huge print, and it is not cheap. I also printed 4 of these tanks, so I've got a couple guys that bought these. I'll have to ask if they're interested. I printed the companion pipe that goes with it, so it fits something like that on there. Oops, I know you can't see that very well. Some people might like that, some may not. If you've already bought one of those from me, just let me know. I'll get a hold of you probably and ask if you want one. I'll be glad to send you one. I printed up some jersey barriers because I need a few of those here for around Dogtown Ag, so that's kind of neat. And then these are not mine for sale, but they're mine that I printed. These are actually from Chucky Stevens. So these are 1/64 scale Detroit Motors. He had these in 1/16 scale, and I asked if he would do them in 1/64 scale, and he kind of said no, but you can. So anyway, he kind of hooked me up a little bit with his 16 scale file, which was all in pieces, and then I had to put them together. So this is the 3 over here. Let's see. Yep, that's still a 3. Whoa, my lights went off. Here's the 4. And then there's a turbo version of that as well. And then here's the 855 Cummins. So those are really neat. I've got some repower projects in mind for those. And let's see, I've got one more 1/16th project to show you. I'll just let you guys take a guess at what this is. So anyway, I'm excited about this. I hope it works out the way I think it will. If not, oh well, everybody can laugh at how dumb I am. Anyway, I did finish this up, and then I finished another one with duals up for a buddy of mine, just right before I got sick there. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to ship that out yet, but this triples is for me, and it's going to go somewhere on my display or something, but anyway, guys, okay. So I'm 5 minutes into this, and I'm completely wiped out at this point. I feel like my lens is dirty on my camera, or I'm not autofocusing or something. I apologize for that. Alright guys, like I said, I'm completely and totally wiped out at this point, so back upstairs to lay down for me, but thank you guys for the support, really appreciate it, and I'll be back in action real soon. The virtual toy show is going on as planned, by the way. Gosh, I should have mentioned this early on. Like I said, not thinking right. But I've got a bunch of emails and stuff. I'm already working on the videos as best I can right now. Everything will go on as planned for the virtual show. So anyway, thanks for your interest in that, guys, and just thanks for everything. Thanks for your patience. I sure appreciate it. And I hope you guys have an awesome day, and happy tractor hunting.